everyone, Steve here. Well, I got another video today and I've got a very special guest in the back here. I've got Mr. Terry G. How are you, Terry?
Yeah, good, thanks guys. Hey Steve, how you going, mate?
Yeah, good mate. I'm out camping and Terry's been kind enough to show me a cook-up he's going to do. He actually did this cook-up. I was there, we were camping down at a place called S.A.W Park. I have a video about it, and Terry was standing back and he was holding the camera and he was helping Rob the Wanderer cook up this special cook-up today. I won't tell you what it is yet, I'll let Terry tell you. But we're going to try and recreate it, and hopefully one day Rob will get to redo this cook-up.
Yeah, most definitely.
Because he actually did do it, and he had a bit of a problem with his computer, and he lost all his footage, so he wasn't able to bring you this cook-up. But I got the bloke who showed him how to do it, and he's going to do it for us today. So
that's it, yeah.
I'll hand it over to Terry now, and we'll get into it, eh, mate?
Sounds great, Steve. Yeah, let's do it.
No worries.
Yeah.
Cheers, everyone. Go.
All right, guys, it's Terry here. What we're actually doing tonight is Coca Cola chicken wings. So, Rob the Wanderer, if you're watching, mate, get your notepad and pen, mate, ready, because it's going to be a great one tonight, guys. So, at the moment, we've got our camp oven on at the moment. So, we've got 10 heat beads on the bottom and 5 on top of our camp oven. So that's preheating at the moment. So roughly around about 190 degrees at the moment. So let's wait for a little bit and we'll get that nice and hot. And then we'll start off by tipping a few ingredients into the camp oven, searing that up, and putting the sauce in after that, guys. All right, so at the moment we're going to take our lid off, like so. We're going to tip it in a bit of oil into the camp oven, just a bit of a drizzle. Grab our chicken, throw our chicken straight in. Listen to that, beautiful, nice and hot now. So at the moment, guys, we're just going to sear our chicken, just so it's brown on the outside. Like so, give it a bit of a stir. So this recipe here, guys, Steve's going to stick this one up onto the screen for you to write it down if you like this recipe. Mixing in our chicken so it's nice and brown. We're going to stick the lid back on for a little bit, just to keep the heat in there nice and warm. Okay guys, it's been searing off for around about 10 minutes now, and it's time to put in the ingredients now into our camp oven. So let's take the lid off. Our chicken is searing away quite nicely. So here we've just got some red onion and some spring onion and stuff like that. So we'll throw that straight in, like so. Get it all in there. Every little bit counts. Okay, let's give that a bit of a stir. Mix it all into our chicken and oils and juices and all like that that's within the camp oven. It's starting to smell really good too, guys. I wish you were here smelling this. What do you reckon, Steve?
It looks bloody amazing, mate, and I know your sauce over there that he's got in the container here. It's got a lot of secret herbs and spices like KFC or something, hasn't it?
Yeah, mate, yeah. 11 secret herbs and spices.
Yeah, so I might be able to steal the recipe or get a sneak shot of the what's in it, and I might put it up on the screen if I can get them. So
yeah, most definitely, mate.
I know you've snuck into that cookbook a few times.
Oh, quite a fair few times, Steve. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Robin's trying to hide it at the moment, but we still keep getting it back, guys.
So we'll show you the recipe up on the screen, but it's basically now I think you've just got to let that sear away.
Yeah, just let that sear a little bit away, and then the next step, mate, we're going to tip our can of Coke straight into our sauce, and we'll give that a nice mix up, and then pour that into the chicken, guys, and then let that cook. It's going to be fantastic. So let's do that now, Steve, while this still simmers away.
So just a can of Coke, eh?
That's it, mate. Yeah, just a can of Coke straight into our sauces here.
So I'll put that recipe for that sauce up on the screen. And a can of Coke.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Oh, Phil Demiano would like this, wouldn't he?
He would, mate. Yeah, Phil would love this, mate, because it's got Coke in it.
He always has a can of Coke in the fridge.
He has, yep. So we're going to give that a bit of a stir up to mix in with the sauce.
Foams up a bit, doesn't it?
It does, mate, yeah. Okay, so that's in there nicely now. Shake our spoon. Now we're going to take our lid off our camp oven again. Now we're going to tip the sauce straight into there, guys.
Look at that.
Hey, beautiful. Get all the juices out. Okay, so we'll mix that in again into our chicken. Give it a good stir. Oh, she's starting to smell divine now, Steve.
Yeah, I can smell it from here. Can't wait to try it.
Yeah, mate, yep.
And that'll sort of caramelise up a little bit.
That will caramelise right up, mate. So now we'll let that simmer away in our camp oven with the lid back on, like so. Roughly for around about half an hour. And we'll come back to you soon, guys.
Cheers, mate.
We've just been letting this simmer away now at the moment in the camp oven cooking. So we're going to take the lid off now, like so. Carefully, guys, that you don't burn yourselves. As you can see, it's bubbling away quite nicely, cooking well. We'll give it a bit of a stir. Get all those juices right mixing in with the chicken, like so. Mixing all those sugar ingredients in with the sauces as well while we stir it. We're going to leave the lid off for a little bit now and let the sauce reduce down. And once that reduces down, it'll turn into like a thicker sauce with all the sugars and all like that absorbing into the chicken. So we'll come back soon. Thanks. Okay, guys, welcome back. We've just had the lid off now for roughly around about half an hour, 40 minutes. As you can see that the liquid is absolutely reducing down to its bare minimum. That Coke and sugars and all like that is really combining in with the chicken. Those sweetnesses of the sugars and stuff like that is absolutely going to be divine, guys. So we'll just give it another quick stir like so. Making sure that nothing sticks to the bottom. And that's just looking absolutely divine, that the chicken is absolutely just falling off the bone as we speak, guys.
So what are you going to have this with, Jerry?
So we're just going to plate it up with a bit of basmati rice and the Coca Cola chicken straight over the top.
So when we come back, you'll have it all plated up.
That's
we'll
right.
Have a taste test, eh?
That sounds great, Steve, yeah.
Thanks, mate.
Great.
Doesn't this look great, guys? Terry's serving his food up there. He's got to put a little bit of juice on that as well with the ladle. I'm just going to try a couple. I just got a small plate there.
Like so. We'll grab some juice.
Looks pretty good, doesn't it? I can't wait to try this. Old Rob the Wanderer, he reckoned it was pretty good. It's a shame he lost his footage because he cooked this up when we were camping. But I'm sure he's going to give it another go.
Yes, Rob, we can't wait to see you try this dish, mate. It's going to be divine, mate, when you do it. Sprinkle a bit of juice on it like so.
He's got a little bit of garnish to put on the top there just to finish it all off.
Bit of spring onion, guys. Just a little bit of spring onion on it like so. Just to give it a bit of colour.
How good does that look, everyone?
And there you go, guys.
So we're going to hook in now. Thanks, Terry, for showing us that. I really appreciate it.
You're more than welcome, Steve. No, thanks for everything, mate. Good catching up with you again. And yeah, we're going to jump into this, guys, and eat. And we'll catch us all on the next one.
Is there a little tiny bit there you can break off and tell us what you reckon?
Oh, most definitely. Yeah. Let's do a taste test.
What's that sauce like?
Oh, mate. Bit of chicken, rice.
How'd it go?
Oh, mate. Beautiful.
Well, I can't wait to try it. Thanks very much for showing us. Like I said, I'll put the recipe. I'll try and get the light behind us or above us or around us. There we go. It's late at night now. It's after 6. I'm going to test this out and give it a taste test. I reckon it's going to be fantastic. I didn't get a chance to try it. Rob never gave me any of this. So thanks very much, Terry.
Yeah,
And,
you try yours, Steve, and I'll hold the camera for you.
I've got a little spoon here. I'll see if I can break a little bit off here. Oh, mate, that's beautiful. Like, you can really taste the sweet.
You can, yeah.
That is fantastic. Give this a go, guys. Thanks very much to Terry G for cooking it up for us. I really appreciate it. So stay safe, look after each other, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers, everyone.